Namaste. Welcome to Namaste Hindi. Today we are gonna learn about difference between do does kya and what kya question sentences. Questions words. In present simple tense, do does in question sentences is kya in Hindi and what is also kya.
In Hindi, kya is used for the auxiliary verbs like do, does, is, am, are, etc. at the beginning of question sentences. What is also kya, but depending on the order of the words, the meaning changes.
I'll explain it more with the examples later in this video. Do does question sentences. In our previous videos, we learned how to make do does question sentences. In English,
Do you eat chocolates?
in Hindi it would be option 1, क्या आप चॉकलेट्स खाते हैं? And option 2, आप चॉकलेट्स खाते हैं क्या? You can put kya either at the beginning or at the end of the sentence. In English, it has the meaning of a do or does question. Let's review structure of WH questions in Hindi and English. In English, WH word plus do or does plus subject plus verb plus object and then question mark. In Hindi, subject plus object plus K word meaning question words plus verb and then question mark. In Hindi, you put the question word or K word just before the verb. Let's make a question sentence with what? Structure in English, WH word plus do does plus subject plus verb plus object. But there is no object in this sentence, so we will skip that step. Sentence in English, what do you eat? Structure in Hindi, subject plus object plus K word plus verb. Again, there is no object in this sentence, so we will skip that step. Sentence in Hindi. First, we will use subject, which is aap in Hindi, then K word, which is kya, and then verb khate hain. So the full sentence of what do you eat in Hindi it would be aap kya khate hain. Aap kya khate hain? Difference between do or does and what. In do does questions, we put kya at the beginning. For example, do you eat chocolates? In Hindi, it's क्या आप chocolates खाते हैं? In WH what sentences, we say क्या just before the verbs. Like in this sentence. In English, what do you eat? In Hindi, it's आप क्या खाते हैं? See, we are putting क्या just before the verb, but in do the sentence, we are putting क्या at the beginning of the sentence. Do does questions with response.
Does she drink tea?
क्या वो चाय पीती है? The response of this sentence can be
Yes, she drinks tea.
हाँ, वो चाय पीती है. Or you can say
No, she doesn't drink tea.
नहीं, वो चाय नहीं पीती है. What questions with response?
What does she drink?
वो क्या पीती है? The response of this sentence can be
She drinks tea.
वो चाय पीती है.
Question and answer.
सवाल और जवाब.
Try to fill in the question marks on screen to see how much you've learned.
What does she eat?
वो क्या खाती हैं?
Do you go to the park?
क्या आप पार्क जाते हैं?
Does he watch TV?
क्या वो टीवी देखते हैं?
What do they do?
वे क्या करते हैं? Or you can also say वो क्या करते हैं? In the next lesson, we are going to learn some more WH question sentences with responses.
And that's all the practice for today. Great job!
Please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Namaste.